Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video I'd like to show you a sneak peek into the past, and I'd like to take you to the backyard that we used to have when we lived in a land house in Australia during our 2-year trip. I'm going to show you the plants, how I took care of them, and we start off with the wonderful aloe vera. Now we had about 3 or 4 aloe vera plants that we planted, and some that we have replanted from one main plant. And aloe vera really loves the sunshine. It really loves to have minimal watering. And this is mustard. Also, mustard is amazing and it has expanded beautifully. Next to mustard there is mint, and we have left plenty of space for mint to regrow or to expand, because mint really likes to expand. Then we have parsley as well, and thyme. I'd love to include any sort of medicinal herbs into the yard, as I've also done so in the balcony that we have since we've moved from Australia to Finland in 2018. And here we have oregano. Oregano also loves the sunshine. Now I've combined all these plants that love the sunshine into one corner where they're exposed to a lot of sun. We have beautiful kale standing strong right over here and flowering as well, and as you can tell there are little babies starting to come out from the stalks, so there's plenty of harvest for the kale. And kale usually likes to grow vertical as well, and it really enjoys the sunshine. Now we do have also some onions, and in between the gaps that are around the onion we do have some different vegetables planted as well, mostly root vegetables, and we have tried also to plant some eggplants. Now compared to our now mini garden in the balcony on the 3rd floor in our apartment, planting in a actual garden, of course with natural soil and in a whole backyard, is completely a different experience. I feel like whatever you can plant here, it has a more possibility and a more chance to grow beautifully, expand, and produce wonderful harvest, multiple harvests as well. Doesn't mean that you can't plant in the balcony, but here is the natural environment, the natural soil, everything, all the factors come into play to produce great harvest and great quality things as well. As you can tell, we were actually working on expanding. You can see some onions right behind the kale as well, and in between the onions we have some beetroot. Now I love using my beetroot greens, and this is rocket. Rocket is amazing. I've also made a hair mask with rocket, and it grows beautifully, flowers, it produces wonderful, beautiful edible flowers as well, and it's beautiful to include in salads. Now there's 2 types of rockets that we planted. We planted the mini rockets as well as the bigger larger rockets as well. So there's, or as it's called in other countries, a regular. Here is also thyme. We use a lot of thyme in our recipes and soups and bone broths, and also honeys as well, flavored honey. So I hope that you do enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I appreciate every single one of you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.